The biggest enhancement to the materials in the RGB colors is that we now save the materials list inside the CKD file as opposed to saving it in the registry. What this means is that all the PMI information that was used or captured with the model stays with the model. This makes it easier to exchange files with your coworkers. We've also improved the behavior of the material icons. The icons now align according to the width of the splitter window. You can reorganize the icons by simply dragging and dropping into their appropriate positions. You can multi-select the icons either with the Control key or Shift key, or even by selecting a window. This allows the context menu to apply to multiple icons, either to apply to an entity, multiple delete, or to save multiple materials into a single text file that you can use to set up a template or share. The main context menu now includes existing functions that were scattered throughout dialogues and pull-down menus. This allows them to be accessible in a single convenient location.